Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making banana bread. This is all the ingredients you're going to be needing. You want to make sure your oven's at 350 and you want to grease all your pans. In the mixer, you want to cream the butter and sugar. Then you're going to add the eggs to the mixture. Now I'm just gonna put it in there. Now you're gonna mash the bananas into the mixture. And by the way, I did 4. I'm going to do a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm going to add the flour, cinnamon, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Now I'm going to add the milk. Now I'm going to put them in the pan. And you want to bake it for an hour and 10 minutes. This is what it looks like when it's done. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications. I will link the recipe below in the description so you guys can all try it too. Thank you so much for watching.